Let's make these mini pizzas from scratch in the air fryer, and I'm also gonna share my pizza sauce recipe in this video. I've taken 3 cups of plain all-purpose flour here. Gonna add a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of sugar, a tablespoon of instant dry yeast, 2 tablespoons of milk powder. Mix the dry ingredients. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, knead with warm water. Drizzle some olive oil on it. Now let it rise for maybe at least an hour or 2 hours until it's double in size. For the pizza sauce, I've taken a little bit of oil in here, and I've added half chopped onion and about a tablespoon of garlic. Add the onion and garlic for a minute. The onion and garlic are light pink. Add a tablespoon of tomato paste. Fry this for a few seconds. I'm gonna add a cup of canned tomatoes, oregano, dried basil, because I don't have the fresh one, or you can just add the fresh basil, red chili flakes, paprika, salt, soy sauce, white vinegar. Now I'm going to cook this for about 10 minutes. So this is the pizza dough that we made. So I'm making small pizzas. I'm just gonna press them with my hand, no need to roll them. This is the pizza sauce that we made. Add some cheese. I'm using mozzarella cheese. Add whatever toppings you like on it. I'm just gonna add some onions, peppers, some sweet corn. I'm gonna sprinkle some oregano on it, flakes. Now your air fryer basket needs to be preheated, so this is pretty hot, and I'm just gonna place the pizzas here. Now these are gonna go in the air fryer 200 degrees Celsius for about 6 to 7 minutes. These are ready.